Hi, Michael here. Here's your spring piece. Nice vase arrangement with kale, hydrangeas, king proteas buried in there. Pink double lilies. These are kind of new. Look how beautiful. Forsythia branches, curly willow combo. Let's give it a spin. Woo, it's pretty. Bright and springy. All these are designed in school at flowerschool101.com. Come to class and join us and learn how to do this. I did this in about 5 minutes. If you have any questions, give us a call or just go to Flower School 101. Be sure and check out the videos. Those are all videos done by students who've been in my class for 1 week. Their work is amazing after only 1 week. So try it out. If you love flowers, come take a class. You will leave with a ton of flowers and a ton of information. Flowerschool101.com. This is Michael saying, keep blooming.